Hello friends, welcome again in this video lecture. In last video lecture we will completed the electromagnetic effect, that is the electron displacement mechanism, and electromagnetic effect related with or shown by those organic molecules which having multiple bond, means either double bond or triple bond, and in electromagnetic effect the complete transfer of pi electron takes place or atom having lone pair of electron adjacent to the covalent bond. This is the most important thing for the electromagnetic effect. And the electromagnetic effect are also two types. Positive electromagnetic effect, in which the displacement of reaction takes place away from the electronegative atom, and the negative electromagnetic effect, in which the displacement of reaction takes place towards the electronegative atom. Okay, and this is a temporary effect. Electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect. Okay, now today we are going to see the next electron displacement mechanism, that is the mesomeric effect. These are the electron displacement mechanism, that is inductive effect, electromagnetic effect, and mesomeric effect. And we already completed inductive effect and electromagnetic effect, and today we are going to see the mesomeric effect. Then what is mesomeric effect? Mesomeric effect is similar to the electromagnetic effect. The first characteristics of the first feature of mesomeric effect is that mesomeric effect is similar or analogous to electromagnetic effect. This mesomeric effect is analogous to electromagnetic effect. Analogous to electromagnetic effect. Analogous means similar or same. So we can say that electromagnetic effect and mesomeric effect are same or analogous with each other. And we know that in electromagnetic effect the complete transfer of electron pair takes place, or the complete transfer of lone pair of electron takes place. Similarly, in mesomeric effect, complete transfer of electron pair or lone pair of electron takes place. Mesomeric effect give complete transfer of electron pair or lone pair of electron In first point we say that electromagnetic effect and mesomeric effect are analogous with each other, means they are similar with each other, and that similarity is that the electromagnetic effect gives the transfer of electron or lone pair. Like that, mesomeric effect also gives complete transfer of electron pair or lone pair of electron. Only difference is that the electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect, but mesomeric effect is a permanent effect, and mesomeric effect are shown by those organic compounds which having conjugated system or which are unsaturated. This mesomeric effect is permanent effect. Mesomeric effect is permanent effect and shown by those organic molecules which having conjugated system, which having conjugated system or unsaturated nature or unsaturated nature. Listen, mesomeric effect, which is permanent effect which give complete transfer of electron pair or lone pair of electron, and this mesomeric effect shown by those organic compounds which are conjugated in nature or which are unsaturated in nature. And we know that conjugated molecule means those molecules which having alternate double bond or single bond. This is the difference between electromeric effect and mesomeric effect, that electromeric effect is a temporary effect and mesomeric effect is a permanent effect. And electromeric effect shown by those molecules which having multiple bond only, either double bond or triple bond, but mesomeric effect are shown by those molecules which having conjugated system, in which the compound or molecule having alternate double bond or single bond. For example, we will see example of mesomeric effect in which the complete transfer of electron takes place. Okay, now show the example. First example, CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond O H. Okay. Second example, CH3 C double bond O H. And the next example, NH2 CH double bond C H, again C H or double bond O. Now listen. In mesomeric effects, we say that mesomeric effect give the complete transfer of electron pair or lone pair of electron, but the most important condition for mesomeric effect is that the molecules are conjugated in nature, means having alternate single bond, double bond, single bond or double bond, and then only they show the mesomeric effect. Now in this spark electron shifted here and this bond shifted here, then the molecule become CH3 CH single bond CH double bond C, oxygen having negative charge, and this is the OH. Listen, in first example, the transfer of electron from this double bond to this bond takes place, or here the complete transfer of electron takes place, and this electron shifted on the electronegative atom. That's why here this oxygen having negative charge, and we know that the valency of carbon is 4, and when the valency of carbon is less than 4, that carbon having plus charge or carbon become cation carbon, and here the valency of carbon is 3. That's why this carbon having positive charge. Okay, so this is the mesomeric effect. Similarly here in this oxygen having negative charge. Okay, now listen. This bond shifted on the oxygen and it become CH3 C O minus H, and here again the valency of carbon is 1, 2, 3, and that's why this carbon also having positive charge. Okay. We are seeing the mesomeric effect in which complete transfer of electron takes place and in which molecule having conjugated cysteine, double bond or single bond. Okay, in this example, this is the acetaldehyde in which oxygen having double bond. So this pi electron between carbon and oxygen shifted on oxygen atom because oxygen is the more electronegative. And after the shifting or transfer of electron, this carbon having positive charge and this oxygen having negative charge. Okay. Now, in the next example, here the nitrogen having lone pair of electron. And in mesomeric effect also the transfer of lone pair of electron takes place, so that this lone pair of electron shifted here, this pi electron shifted here and this electron shifted here. That's why the molecule become NH2 double bond CH. Again this double bond converted into the single bond and the single bond is converted into the double bond, and again this double bond is converted to the single bond and oxygen having negative charge. Got it? In this, the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom shifted on this bond. That's why the single bond is converted into the double bond, and this pi electron shifted on this. That's why this double bond is converted into the single bond, and again that single bond is converted into the double bond, and oxygen having negative charge. So this is the mesomeric effect in which the complete transfer of either pi electron or electron pair takes place or the lone pair of electron takes place, and this is the permanent effect in which total transfer of electron takes place. Okay, now this mesomeric effect indicated by capital letter M. This like that. The inductive effect is indicated by I. Okay, then electromeric effect indicated by E. Like that, the mesomeric effect indicated by letter M. It indicated by capital letter M. This mesomeric effect indicated by capital letter M. And again, this mesomeric effect are two types. Mesomeric effect are two types. Okay, first one is plus mesomeric effect. Okay, and in above example, we already see that the transfer of electron takes place, either lone pair of electron or pi electron. This complete transfer of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom. That's why in plus mesomeric effect we say that the displacement of electron takes place away from the electronegative atom. Means this electron shifted from electronegative atom to the other atom. That effect is called as a positive mesomeric effect. That is the displacement of electron. The displacement of electron take place from away from electronegative atom. Away from electronegative atom. That effect called as positive mesomeric effect, in which the displacement of transfer of electron takes place from the or away from the electronegative atom. That is the positive mesomeric effect. Second one is negative mesomeric effect, in which opposite to this, the displacement of electron or transfer of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom. The displacement of electron takes place towards electronegative atom, That effect is called as a negative mesomeric effect. Okay. One in which displacement of electron takes place away from the electronegative atom, that is the plus M effect, and the second one, the displacement of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom, that is the minus M effect. Now, in mesomeric effect or in above example, we already say that the displacement of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom. So, we say that in above example, we already see that the displacement of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom, and we already say that in mesomeric effect, the complete transfer of either electron pair takes place or lone pair of electron takes place, and here we say that the displacement of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom, but when the lone pair of electrons are not conjugated with double bond, and when the lone pair of electrons are conjugated with double bond, at that time the displacement of electron does not take place towards the electronegative atom. Listen, we already said that the mesomeric effect gives the complete transfer of electron or lone pair of electron, and the molecule having electronegative atom, that's why that electronegative atom having lone pair of electron. Okay, then the transfer of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom, but when the lone pair of electrons are not conjugated with the double bond, at that time the transfer of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom, but when the electrons are conjugated with double bond, at that time the displacement of electron does not take place towards the electronegative atom. This is the most important thing. The displacement of electron, takes place towards electronegative atom, when lone pair of electron are not conjugated with double bond, Okay, example C. CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond O, and this is the lone pair of oxygen. Listen, electronic product. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, oxygen lone pair, and this is the negative charge. Okay, now listen. This pi electron transfer here and this electron transfer on the oxygen. So this carbon having positive charge and the oxygen having negative charge. Now here we say that the displacement of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom when this lone pair of electron does not conjugated with the double bond. Then and then only the transfer of electron takes place towards the electronegative atom. So the shifting of electron takes place from this carbon to this carbon, this carbon to this, and this from the oxygen, which is the more electronegative. But this is happen when these lone pair of electrons are not conjugated with the double bonds, and when the lone pair of electron of electronegative atom are conjugated with double bond, then the displacement of electron takes place from electronegative atom towards the carbon atom. The displacement of electron, takes place away from electronegative atom, when lone pair of electron are conjugated with double bond, Okay, now listen example. CH2 double bond CH, oxygen having lone pair and CH3. Now listen. Now next we say that the displacement of electron takes place from electronegative atom when these lone pair of electron are conjugated with the double bond. So this lone pair of electron shifted here and this bond shifted here, so that we get CH2 having negative charge, single bond CH, double bond O, again single bond CH3, and oxygen having plus charge. So in this, the displacement of electron or transfer of electron takes place from the most electronegative atom, because this lone pair of electrons are conjugated with the double bond. At that time, displacement of electron takes place from the electronegative atom. So this is the most important things in the mesomeric effect. So by depending on the nature of lone pair, either they are conjugated with double bond or not, this transfer of electron takes place in the compound in mesomeric effect. Okay, the remaining part of mesomeric effect we will see in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching.